Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my YouTube studio setup. All right. Now, I realize a lot of times I be lying, because a lot of times I tell myself, oh, I don't really take YouTube serious. I'm not really a real live YouTuber. And then as I was putting my desk together the other day, I was like, I think I might be taking YouTube seriously. So I'm gonna give you a rundown of a couple things I have and what I use for YouTube. Just up there, I always keep one. I got like 2 or 3 of these. One fronto stands, the Drone Mini, the Drone 4 Mini Pro, my GoPro 8. This is some of like my everyday carry stuff right here. I always talk about my Joe Malone. I only buy to travel because I tend to travel a lot. Now at home in Atlanta, I do have bigger ones, but this is the Poppy and Barley, one of my favorites. Wood, sage, and sea salt, English oak, and hazelnut, and these are some of the small ones. Baccarat and Merc and Tonka. Down here, it's all of my wallets, all my Pelican wallets. This is my newest one. That's what I rock every day. Some of y'all know I'm a fan of John Deere. You know, all I buy is John Deere lawnmowers. And my everyday carry knife. That Gerber, this bitch sharp as hell. And this is just a little knick-knack tool. Beats, key to the F-150, work computer. This is my eye massager. This is my Netgear mobile Wi-Fi that I use every day. Whatever country I go to, I just switch out the SIM and that works. This is my hard drive, one of my hard drives. And this is the PGY tech bag. All right, so this is just like a little gamer chair. This wasn't that major. I got this for the PX, like 200 bucks. Nothing major, it does the trick. And you know the desk is from Home Depot. That's the Husky desk from Home Depot. I recommend that because you can just crank it up and it's perfect. All right, here's my Audio-Technica headphones. I think these were like maybe like $250 or something, top of the line. My Rode mic and Rode stand, the USB-C. So this, I love this mic. It's really pretty good. This is the most handy dandy thing I just got. It's the PGY Tech. It holds all of my SIM cards, SD cards. That's like the SIM. My Mac Studio Pro. I just use this for editing. But this right here, I can pull a cord out, plug this up to the Mac Studio, and I can read either right there or right there. I can just put it in and read anything off that. So that's pretty handy. I like this a lot. Then it just folds up just like that. I'll do later a little review on it so you guys can see it. And since I work for the work with the soldiers and stuff, I fell in love with the green. You'll see a lot of got a green, a lot of khaki stuff. These creative speakers I just got from Amazon. Just some like, what do you call this? The Apple keyboard, whatever. And some of you guys know this one. I can't even pronounce this shit. But it's 40 inch, INNOCN, however you say that. And sometimes I use RIP Leela. sometimes I use this is my everyday phone that I maybe go live with. If I'm sitting right here, I got my Yeti full of whiskey, and I love this marble and wood coaster. Bam, Yeti. I got my MacBook Pro over there, so I'm either running stuff off my MacBook, but I solely use the Mac Studio for editing, so I can hook it up to this monitor. I got the Magic mouse. This is my bottle opener in case I'm sitting here, you know, having a drink or whatever. And I always gotta have me a candle, man. The candle set the mood back there. I think that's Palo Santo and Merc. I like the Merc joint. And right here, this is my Canon. I think this is the Canon V10. So I'm shooting on that. And then also I have another phone set up. This is my Newer tripod. So I love Newer. And this is my small rig set up back here. I don't even know what you like on. So I typically only buy Newer and small rig. This is a Newer light right here that I use. I have another Newer light that's coming. So I'm able to shoot the V10 right here on the small rig arm. So you can see that. That's my setup. I just put down there, I got my air purifier. And down there I just got a bunch of cords. I got USB. Got some other plugs down there. I think it's USB-C on there. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much my YouTube setup. So clearly, I'm very humbled by this setup because I put a lot of money into this. All right, the only thing I don't have yet that's coming in is my Insta360 webcam. And I have an Insta360, the new one, the 4. That's gonna be my action cam. This is the Guam setup. So I have a smaller setup in Atlanta, and I have a little more stuff in DR, like lights and everything. So I pretty much, every place I kind of live at, I have a setup. My charging station, this is my charging station. So in here, I just got that running in the back. So it's kind of dusty. So you see all the USB ports, USB-Cs, drone batteries, GoPro batteries. I'll put my computers in here sometimes to charge them up. But I have a bunch of these with the 4 chargers on it. So this is what I use pretty much every day. This is my setup. And I like to hide stuff away. That's my air purifier, and the other one's my dehumidifier. So I always try to set a little vibe. I like having plants, have my incense going, plants. I gotta clean these windows. You know, I just got my little view of Guam. But that's it, guys. This is my YouTube setup, man. So you guys got any recommendations, let me know. Tag me in y'all setup, you know, let me know what you got. So yeah, clearly I'm taking this. I just need to step up my editing, man, but you know, that is what it is, man. Y'all fight the power, stay black, keep it gangster, man.